Good morning, everyone. This is the 2014 MacBook Pro A1502. It needs a keyboard replacement. So I've already removed the logic board, the battery, and the trackpad. So I'm gonna try to remove the backlight piece, then work a little bit hard on getting those rivets out from the keyboard, and then here's the new keyboard. It's a brand new keyboard. Then I have so this is it's a replacement trackpad. It's the original trackpad. I have to test them first. Anyway, here we go. I fold this so I don't damage the screen when I work. Sometimes I put pressure just to be sure. The backlight piece.